Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. We have already started our chapter number 2. Open your workbook, page number 56, where you will find out the exercise number 26. Complete the picture by joining the numbers in correct order and color it. See, the coloring activity, you will do it yourself. You can choose the color of your choice and complete the activity. Here is 1, 2. After 2, there will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This way you will join the dots and you will get the figure of the boat. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. After 6, 7, 8 and 9 is already joined. So you will get the figure of fish. You have to color both the picture yourself. You can choose the color which you like. Okay, for that. Same thing. 1, 2. You have to join the dots in order. 2, 3, 4. 4 के बाद 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we can say that this is a star. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this way you will get the picture and complete the coloring part yourself. On the next page, page number 27, join the dots and write the number formed in. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? You have to join the dot and write down the number form it. So here you will see that after tracing the dot, you will get here 1. Now here you will get 2. Can you observe that? You will get here 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 'Trace the dot and find out the number. Here is a 9. Okay. Your next exercise is exercise number 28. Understand and write the answer in box. Here 1 and 2. You will get the 1 mango and 2 apples. The 1 is smaller than 2. 1 ये 2 apples से छोटा है. Here are 2 pencils and 3 erasers. Is smaller than. Okay. So smaller number कौन सा है? 2. 2 is smaller than 3. 3 and 4. Which number is the smaller one? Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 is smaller than 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 is smaller than 6. 6 and 8. तो कौन से वाले ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं आपको? 8 वाले. और कौन से कम दिख रहे हैं? This 6 diamonds. So 6 is smaller than 8. Which one is the smaller one? कम कौन से दिख रहे हैं? 5. तो 5 is smaller than 7. Here this is a comparison activity. आपको compare करना है. These are 2 cups and 1 glass. So 2 is greater than 1. Now we have to write down the greater than option. 3 balls is greater than 2. 4 square is greater than 3. Can you observe that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. लेकिन ये एक और है 4. तो एक्स्ट्रा हो गया. So 4 is a greater than. Same thing, by observing the picture you can easily identify. 8 is greater than 6. 7 is greater than 3. And 6 is greater than 4. Now turn your page number 58, where you will find out the exercise 29. Do as directed. Write the missing numbers. Okay, here what you have to do, you will write down the missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Put circle around the greater number. जो बड़ा नंबर है उसके आसपास सर्कल करना है. 6 and 8. 8 is a bigger number. 4 and 9. तो 9 सबसे बड़ा हो गया. 7 and 8. 8 is a bigger number. Okay. And 2 and 5. 5 is a bigger number. Now I will show you how to find out the greater number. मतलब जो भी नंबर है, देखो यहाँ पे 6 है, राइट? तो 8 is come after 6. मतलब जो 6 के बाद जितने भी नंबर आते हैं वो सारे बड़े होते हैं. Even though 4 is come after 9. मतलब 4 के बाद 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these numbers are the greater numbers. 8 will come after 7. मतलब वो उससे बड़ा है. Then afterward 2 के बाद 3, 4, 5. So 5 is a bigger number. मतलब कोई भी डिजिट के पीछे वाले जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं वो सारे नंबर्स बड़े होते हैं, ग्रेटर होते हैं. Number 3, put triangle around the smaller number. अभी you will find out 4 and 8. 8 से पहले 4 आता है. So this one is the smaller one. 7 से पहले 6 आता है. So that's the smaller one. जो भी पहले वाले नंबर जितने भी आते हैं कोई भी डिजिट से वो सारे नंबर स्मॉलर होते हैं. 9 से पहले आता है 5. So 5 is a smaller number. 3 and 7. 3 is a smaller number. Now number 4, write the missing number in ascending order or increasing order. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we are writing the number in increasing order. Now we will write down the number in decreasing order. We have already learned this kind of things in senior KG. Increasing order, write the number in forward, write the backward numbers like this. So we are going to write down decreasing matlab backward numbers. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3 is there. Now number 6, write just preceding number. Preceding. Okay, you will divide the spelling in a group like this and remember preceding. Preceding matlab before. Before matlab आगे वाला number. So what is the preceding number of 7? Is 6. Exact उसके आगे वाला number. Okay? Not 5, 4, 3. ये सब भी उसके before ही है. But just preceding. Just उसके आगे वाला number कौन सा है? 4 before 3. 9 before 8. Write just succeeding number. Succeeding मतलब after. उसके तुरंत ही बाद आने वाला number. That is called the succeeding number. 2 after 3. 6 after 7. 8 after 9. Then next exercise, write the middle numbers. Middle number matlab between number 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. Now here in question number 9, write the missing numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the next page, page number 59, where you will find out the question number 30. And the heading is make the collection equal and write the numbers in box. You have to make the equal collection and write down the number in the box. So here, can you observe that there are 2 squares, and on the opposite side you will observe 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So we need to make 5 boxes over here. So first of all, draw it yourself. 3, 4 and 5. Now both the sides are equal. तो हम वहाँ पे रख देंगे 5, 5 in both the box. Look at this side. You will find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. On the opposite side, we will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both the side having 6, 6 triangle. Next, these are some swirls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is 5, 6, 7. So both the sides. Draw the extra squirrel which is not given and make the equal swirls on both the side of the box. Here is a diamond shape. 1, 2 and 3. And here is only 1. So 2 and 3. Now both the sides are equal. So write down 3 in the box. Now open your textbook. Open the page number 48, where you will find out the concept of zero. What is zero? Zero का मतलब होता है nothing, कुछ भी नहीं. That is called zero. but 0 is a very important in our life because we always start with 0. Okay, each and everything will be start with 0. 0 will increase the value of the digit as well. Okay, 1 के पीछे हम 0 लगा देते हैं तो it becomes 10. So 0 is a quite important in our life. See, now we will understand the concept of 0 by given some examples. 5 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. See, can you see that there are 5 juicy mangoes? And if you pick and eat one, how many will be left? So, how many will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that the girls add the mango from one mango from the basket, and there will be 4 mango which is left in the basket. Number 4. Now you have 4 juicy mangoes kept in a basket, and if you pick and eat one, then how many will be left? The girl pick one mango from the this basket and eat one. How many will be left? 3 will be left. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? एक मैंगोज को हम कम करते जा रहे हैं. 3 juicy mangoes kept in basket, and if you pick and eat one, how many will be left? ये 3 mangoes थे, उसमें से एक उसने फिर से खा लिया. Then 2 mangoes will be left. 2 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, then how many will be left? From the 2 mangoes, she ate 1. 1 mango is left. Now 1 juicy mango kept in basket. Can you see that? If you pick and eat one, then how many will be left? तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, तो that means 0 mango will be left. So 0 means nothing, कुछ नहीं. Yes, we will go through this example as well, and we will understand what is 0. Count and write the number of bird on the branch. First of all, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you observe that one bird is fly away? So how many birds are left on the branch? 3. From the 3 bird, one bird has already flew away. So 1 and 2, 2 birds on the branch. From the 2 bird, one bird fly away. One bird is left. अभी यहाँ से एक और लास्ट वाला बर्ड भी चला जाता है. So how many birds on the branch? You will get 0. Okay, so 0 means nothing. Nothing मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. Look at the next page, page number 50. You will get another example. How many in the cage? Using this example, I will show you what is 0. Here you found the 3 mice in a cage. One mouse is running right now. So there are 2 mice. Again from this cage, one mouse is running away. So there will be 1 mouse left. And how many mice after running the last one? How many mice are left? 0. There is nothing. 0 means nothing. कुछ भी नहीं. Next, balloons. In a hand, can you observe that there are 3 balloons? From the 3 balloons, one balloon had burst. So 2 balloons are left. From the 2 balloon, one balloon is already burst. So 1 balloon is left, and Lastly, this balloon, the last balloon is also burst. And how many balloons were left? 0 balloon. Now, in this, what you have to do? You have to press the 0 and fill all the boxes. ZERO 0. And this thing you have to do it in a homework. You have to complete all the boxes by writing 0. Open your workbook, page number 60, where you will find out the understanding of 0. Okay, there are some examples. Using these examples, we will find out what is 0. Here, can you see, observe the picture? In this picture, there is a man sitting under the tree and selling some mangoes. How many mangoes are there in the basket? We will find out 1 and 2 mangoes in his basket. How many mangoes were sold out? So there are 2 mangoes in the basket and were sold out. 2 mangoes were sold out. So how many mangoes are left? 0, because 2 में से 2 mango में से दोनों के 2 mangoes हमने sold कर दिए. So we will get 0. Next, how many mangoes are there in the basket? Can you observe that there are 5 mangoes in the basket? And see, the girl is eating the mangoes. And can you observe any of the mango in the basket? So we can say that how many mangoes did she eat? So she ate 5 mangoes. All the 5 mangoes she ate. Then how many mangoes left in the basket? So we can say that 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, these are some frogs. How many frogs are sitting on the rock? 4 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many frogs jump into the water? All the 4 frogs jumped into the water. Is there any of the frogs sitting over here? No. So how many frogs are left who is sitting on the rocks? Now, no one. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. How many butterflies are there on the flower? Can you see, this is a flower and you will find out there are some butterflies around it. There are 1, 2 and 3 butterflies. And how many butterflies flew away? Kitne butterflies उड़ गए? All the 3 butterflies are flew away. So how many butterflies are left on the flower? So there is no butterfly left on the flower. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next is the same example which we have covered in the textbook, so that you will do it yourself in the homework. Same thing we have done it in the textbook. So this thing you will have to finish in the homework. And again, you have to complete all the box with 0. Press the 0 like this and fill all the boxes. Fine.